Gotta use step ladder to get up in here. I am going to try this out. It is a conditioner. I have already cleaned the seats already. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the conditioner on now to see how it turns out. My leather, I don't know, the guy that had it before I did, I don't know if he ever did anything like this, but the seats are kind of hard in my King Ranch, Diesel Kong that is. It's kind of hard and I want to get them softened back up. I know that Ford changed the leather in, I think it was 2009. This is a 2010. And this leather here and here is not as soft as the previous leather that they used to use. Kind of wish it had it here, but it don't. So I'm gonna see if I can't soften it up with this here. It's a leather conditioner. Yeah, I'll find out how this goes. Let's see what works. I was gonna need the ladder, but it didn't. Like I said, I've already cleaned the seats one time. Need a spray, not a squirt. I don't like how it comes out, but anyhow. Fresh, clean rag here. It does put a shine on it. And I'm not being stingy with it either, I'm putting it on here. I'm just gonna give this here a test run on this seat. Just to see. It's like I said, it's 2010 and these seats have no tears or anything. So that's pretty sweet that they don't have any tears or anything like that in them. So. I gotta say though, I like the way it makes it look. May go out of camera. Never seen pretty place or anything, you know what I'm saying? We'll see. We are conditioning this baby down. Yeah. What? That's shining like a new baby's butt. Or the baby's butt don't shine. Anyhow. Like the way it looks. Like the way it looks. It's looking sweet. That's what I used cleaning the leather in my F-250, which y'all have seen it before. I'll show it to you again. But that's what I used to clean the leather in here, and I really like the way it turned out. It looks really good. It's got some wear, but there's no cracks, no tears or anything like that, so that's really good. Let me show you this. Check out the back door. What I am hoping that it will do is soften it up for me, because right now the back seats are really soft. The front is a little hard, but the back seat is just like a brand new one. 2010 brand new to me. But I like the way it looks. Put some shine back to them, didn't it? It was a little dull. I wish I'd have got a shot of before so I could show you an after, but oops. But I really like the way that turned out. I really do. That's really good stuff. Like I say, you hear that? And then that's soft. That's that football leather seat right there, part that they used to have in the F-250s in the King Ranch edition. You can even tell how worn that is. But the stuff seems to work pretty good. I'm gonna put another coat on it probably tomorrow or next day and see how that goes. I even put it on my handles here, and just to see how it all turns out. But I'll keep you updated on that.